Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this phone. So to get started, you will need to grab a cable, plug it into your computer, as we do need that so we can enter recovery mode. I do want to point out, this is only Samsung thing, which is done deliberately by Samsung to annoy us, as no other phone needs that. And as a protection method, it is pretty garbage because we can circumvent that anyways. So yeah. Anyway, grab the cable. No, don't actually plug it in just yet. So first we're gonna swipe down from the top of the screen, click our power button and select power off. When the device turns off, you want to plug in the cable, and then when you plug it in, hold power button and volume up at the same time. So I'm gonna grab the phone for that. It's just much easier for me to do it like that. And plugged in, holding buttons. In a moment when you see the Samsung, you will then see Galaxy under that. Let go of the power button when you see Galaxy Edition. Keep holding volume up, and in a moment this will enter recovery mode. There we go. Let's unplug the cable, as it was only needed to get us in here. Like I said, it's just literally pointless. Anyway, next, using volume buttons, we're gonna navigate down to select wipe cache partition, confirm it with the power button, select yes, and that's it. At the bottom you can see cache wipe complete and reboot system now selected by default, so press power button once more and this will bring us back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.